W equals 1 by under root L into C, under root LC. Find the value of W when L equals 8 into 10 to the power of minus 3 and C equals 2 into 10 to the power of minus 9. And here they ask, give your answer in standard form. So first step, I'll substitute the values here. W equals, so here, the value of W is here. I need to find W. W equals 1 by under root. L value is given as 8 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into C is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 9. So further, see here, this will be equal to 1 by numbers. If I'll multiply 8 into 2, 16. 10 power minus 3 into 10 power minus 9. So 10 power minus 3 minus 9, which is minus 12. Now next step here, I'll write here. W equals 1 by root, if I'll write in exponential form, whole power 1 by 2. 16 I can write as 2 power 4. 10 power minus 12. 2 power 4 into 10 power minus 12. So here now next step, W equals, so W value equals 1 by 2 power 4 whole power 1 by 2 into 10 power minus 12 whole power 1 by 2. 2 times 1, 2 times 6, 2 times 1, 2 times 2. So it is 1 by 4 into 10 to the power of minus 6. 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is 0.25. 1 divided by 4. So here 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 5, 20. 0.25. So 0.25 into 10 power 1 by 10 power 6, I can write as, if I take this value to the numerator, it will become plus 6. Sorry, 0.25. So 0.25 into 10 power 6. But see, they ask here to write in standard form. Standard form should be after one decimal. So what I'll do, into 10 into 10 power 5. 10 power 6 I'll write as 10 power 1 into 10 power 5 because I need one more. After one digit I need to shift the decimal. So 0.25 into 10. This value will become like 2.5. 2.5 into 10 to the power of 5. This is the value for standard form. Now next question they ask, rearrange the formula to make C as a subject. So here W equals 1 by under root LC. If I'll cross multiply, W into root LC equals 1. I need to make C as a subject. So C is here under root. So I'll do squaring on both sides. Squaring on both the sides. So here W into root LC whole square equals 1 square. So we'll get here W square. Square and root will get cancelled. L into C equals 1 square is 1. So from here, if I write the next step, C I need to make as a subject here, this C. So C equals 1 by, if I'll transpose W square and L, we'll get here 1 by W square into L. So this is a value of C, subject, as we make the subject as C. So C equals 1 by W square into L. And here the answers are, the first answer is W value is 2.5 into 10 to the power of 5 and C equals 1 by W square into L.